Welcome to this video. Today we have the portable coffee machine by Outin. Let's start with the unboxing. It comes in a nice box that right now is great for Christmas. Inside we have another big box. It's quite heavy. We also have something else here. Let's see what we have here. We have the instruction. Universal coffee stand. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna open main box. We have some instruction manual here. Cool stickers! Very nice stickers. Instruction manual. Aha! It feels very nice. It's all metal. Then it's gonna be. You have this. Have some adapter to put an Espresso capsule. You have a cup. What's inside here? USB charging. Something else here. A little. And this tool. Okay. So in the box we have all these elements. Then I'm going to read the instruction and we're gonna see next for a demonstration. Okay, so let's do a coffee. In this package it gives you 3 different filter options. The first one, it's with using an espresso capsule, and actually this is my favorite method because it makes very easy to clean and you don't have all the ground coffee around. Then it gives you this one, is a smaller ground coffee filter with a little cap to those. And also you have the plus, at least in this package, but you can buy this separate if you don't have it. It's all metal frame. The filter is much bigger than this one. There is this to put the coffee and don't spill around, and also you have the presser to press it down. We'll make a test next, but for now let's try with the Nepresso capsule. So you take an espresso capsule, you put inside here, then you put inside like that, then you take the Outin coffee maker. You're gonna screw it very tightly, like that. Next, we're gonna put water. You have 1.7 ounces, or you can make a little bigger, 70 milliliter, which is 2.4 ounces. Or there is also another line for maximum water. Also, this one, compared to other brand, it can heat the water. So you literally put cold ambient temperature water inside, like I'm doing right now. I'll just put 50 milliliter. That's it. Next, you're gonna place also in this box. It gave me also the stand, which is very nice. So we're gonna press hold for 2 seconds. It's gonna heat the water and brew the coffee. 1, 2. If you use this method, so the machine is gonna heat the water, you can have 3 to 5 cups, and then you need to recharge the battery. Instead, if you put hot water directly, you can brew up to 200 cups of coffee. We're gonna make a test next. And there you have it. It's a little long, but of course if you put less water you have a shorter espresso. But looks good crema, it's very good. Let me try. Very, very good. It's like a Nespresso coffee. Very good, very good. If you want to check about the battery, you can press 1 and give you 3 dots. 3 dots mean is about 75% charge, so you can brew at least 2 or 3 other cups. Now for the cleaning part, it's very simple. You just take it out. You can unscrew. You be careful because it may be still hot. But you see, it's very simple, the cleaning process. You take out your Nespresso capsule. You can see all the water is gone. So let's do another test. Now we're gonna brew some ground coffee. I don't have espresso coffee. We have the regular American coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, so no problem. I'm going to show you using the small cup. So basically you need to take some coffee using this little cup. This is gonna be more messy than the other one. Then you're gonna press it using this. Okay. Alright. Then you're gonna put the cap on, place it inside here, screw. Okay. Now let me check if the water boils, so we can test the other functionality without heating the water. Okay, so let's press some hot water inside. Well, let's make a little longer this time. We'll place this. Okay. You don't have to use the stand. You can use just like that. And then you're gonna press it twice. It's gonna spill the water right away. As you can see, it's coffee. It's very good if you're going camping or outdoors. Is it done already? Let's see if the water is gone. Yeah, the water is almost gone. Let me double check it. Double. Okay, there was a little bit. Okay. All right. Coffee. Let's brew. Let me try. Good. I'm going to show you again the cleaning process. As you can see, it's a little more messy than the other one. So you're gonna remove the excess water. You're gonna open here. Probably we need to use, it was hot. Probably we need to use the sink to be very careful. We can leave it right now as is. Okay, so for the last test, we're gonna use the Filter Plus that comes with the presser, with a doser, a cap, a bigger filter, and a metal enclosure filter. So we're gonna place the filter here. We're gonna put the doser on top. We're gonna use our measuring cup to pour coffee inside. Okay. Okay. Presser. Okay, press. It's done. Okay. Then we need to place the cap on top, which I think is too much, so we need to remove some of the coffee. This is a lot more complicated than using Nespresso cups. So, but then if you are camping, no problem. If you spill some ground coffee on the floor, no problem. Okay, think it's much better now. So you put the cap, you need to unscrew. It was upside down, like that, perfect. Now it's screwing, perfect. Okay, let's put some hot water. Right. And then double tap. It's gonna spill some coffee right away. It doesn't have crema because this is American coffee. Let's see if the water is gone or we still, yeah, we can put more water. As I mentioned before, we can brew up to 200 cups of coffee using this method without preheating the water. Okay, let's look how much battery we have left. We're just pressing once. Oh, we see, you still have 3 bars, 3 dots. Then when you're done, if you need to charge, here there is the USB-C port. Okay, but let's see our coffee. Yeah, just American, doesn't have any crema on top. Let's try. Very good. So that's all. Now I'm going to clean it. Probably I will rinse with water. It's very simple, and using a cloth to dry it. And after that you can actually use this as a cup, but this is also to close it and ready to transport where you want to go. So overall, I really like this product for outdoors. I don't recommend you buy this for home. I probably recommend you buy a real coffee machine, but for outdoor this is so great, very portable, heat water, so you can put hot water, you can put cold water, you can charge it from here, so that's really great product. I put a link in the description and more information, and see you next time for another review. Bye bye!